Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of your favorite semi-sweet chocolate chips. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, whisk together your 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Set that aside. In a separate, large bowl, cream the 1 cup of softened butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, beat in your 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet, mixing until just combined. It's time for the best part, adding the chocolate chips. Gently fold in your 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Now, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. This ensures a soft, chewy cookie. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This crucial step allows them to firm up slightly, making them easier to handle. After 2 minutes, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While they are absolutely delicious warm, cooling them fully helps set their texture. Now, grab a glass of milk and enjoy your homemade chocolate chip cookies. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to keep them fresh for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.